Right, guess what? Yes, been spending and again, yes I know. It's going to be a bit awkward to show you this until I actually get and use them, but as you can see, some canes. They are, I think they are 2 metre canes. So we'll put them there. The bag that they've come in, I mean, just look at this. Look. So rather than just tip that up, to get everything out of here. Not very well organised, am I? Right. So what's actually here is some little plastic ferrules for the ends of the canes. These, what it is I've sent for, I best explain to you really, haven't I, what I've sent for. It's some netting to protect my strawberries from the birds. I've sent for it from a company called Gardening Naturally. I'll put a link under the description to their website. Never dealt with them before. I'm really pleased with everything. Come very quick, so I'm really chuffed a bit so far with it all. But yeah, you've got these little tubes that you push into the ground and the cane will fit into. There's then some tent pegs which are acting obviously as holding the net down. There's 2 lots of these tubes. There's clips, 2 lots of bags. See if I can show you one. There's 2 stuck together there. It's not very good, I'm not being very professional here, mind you, that's about what you can expect from me. There we go. See, little clip that just clips on to help hold the netting in place. The tent pegs, as I say. The netting. It's 4.5 metres long by 2 metres wide, so that's going to be ample for what I want. And because I'd sent off for that, correction, because I'd spent, I think it was over £25, I got a free gift, and it's some more netting. I've not even opened any of this, as you can see. But there's, I'll best show it you rather than look at me. Retainers, little hooped retainers, and clips for holding it in place. And again, it's more netting for protecting crops. So that was free green bird netting with crop cover clips and U-pins. Not lupins, U-pins. Says on there, look, see? So that came as a freebie because I spent a certain amount of money. But there's gardeningnaturally.com, but I'll put a link at the bottom, so don't panic, you won't miss out. But yes, they've also sent me a little catalogue that I'll have a butcher's look at. So yeah, so when I get and put that all out, I can't do a lot at the moment. It's absolutely hissling down outside. It has been all day. It was very similar yesterday. Forecast isn't particularly good for tomorrow. So when I get this all together and get them I've got 1 lot of strawberries covered up, so I'm going to use this on the other lot. So once it's all done, I'll show you what I've got in place. Right, strawberries. Time to get them netted. These are starting to ripen up. In fact, I can see one down here that the birds have already had a go at. So, as I showed you earlier or at the beginning of this video, you saw the netting I bought from, or the netting kits, shall we say, that I bought from Gardening Naturally. I've got it round here with me now, so I'll get and make a start on getting some protection on these strawberries.
Just come my way. Boy, you know I need you, honey. You let me way. We don't need to think about it. Just come my way. Boy, you know I need you, honey. You let me way. We don't need to think about it. Just come my way. Boy, you know I need you, honey. You let me way. We don't need to think about it. Just come my way.
One lot of strawberries with regards to this kit from Gardening Naturally. I've just gone through these, I've weeded all that before I've netted. I'm just done the same with this, just checked it over, weeded, so I'll now get the hoops in place, and I've laid the netting out ready. I've already learned from doing those that the fit of the plastic or fiberglass rods into these tubes, it's a good snug fit, and that you're best putting these on first before you try to put them in the ground. I've already learned that. kit, you get the standard, confusing you get the standard tent peg, but because of me ordering 2 kits and I received, there you go, you can see me now, because I ordered 2 kits and I received the extra netting kit, that comes with these hoops, so I'll start and use those, I think, to help pin the net down. Right, I think I'm going to have to piece together the netting of the strawberries. I've come round here this morning to get the netting on them, and I've had interruption after interruption, so I'll have to piece what I can together. But while we're here, I'll just show you what the end product looks like. There we go. I did the far one first, and I only thought there was 6 canes, but there isn't. There's obviously 8, so I put the 3 in there, and then I put 4 on here. I've just pegged it down, as you can see on the ends, just pegged it, and then just put these pieces of wood just to hold them down. Everywhere else is just pinned along, all these here, just as you can see, all the way. So that's held that in place. There's some strawberries starting to ripen up and are looking quite good. So that's it, that's the netting. I will put a link into the description below this with regards to gardening naturally, so that if anybody's interested, they do all sorts of netting kits and cloches and so on. So yeah, it's looking really well. I'm really pleased with it all.